Tēnā koutou, ko Sharon Holt, tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and today we're in Ōtaki and we're here because we're coming tomorrow to do our Matariki show in Ōtaki. So I just thought I'd talk to you about some of the pronunciations here. When we, as Māori language learners, when we see signs like this, we often don't pay attention to it as an opportunity to practice our pronunciation. So Ōtaki is often pronounced Otaki. You will notice the macron over the O, or A, E, or U. A, E, or U, and a break after every vowel. So Ōtaki, Ōtaki. So this is Kapiti, Kapiti. So there's a macron there. Here's another one. Me huri whakamuri ka titiro whakamua. And that's the saying for the district council. And this is the translation of Ōtaki Library and Service Centre. Te whare puka puka, so that's to do with book house. Whare puka puka means library. Me, which is and. Te pūtahi, so pūtahi āwhina, so āwhina is helping, so this is the service centre part. Me te pūtahi āwhina o Ōtaki. So when you see signs like that, I really encourage you, as I do, to practice. We can never get enough practice. It's always good to keep looking for Māori language to practice with. And if you want to see any more videos like this, you can go to my site at patreon.com/Sharon Holt. Ka kite.